Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the premium of your Adobe Firefly, how you can upgrade that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, as you can see, you will get the upgrade option here. So we have to click on the upgrade, and after clicking on the upgrade, so as you can see, let's click on the upgrade, and it will show some options. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, as an option, your country doesn't support this purchase. In our country, currently we are not using this option, but as you can see, has an option for the buy via resellers. You can buy if it is not supporting in your country, you can buy through a reseller. So you have to open this link, and after clicking on this, you will be able to see the different types of resellers, and you can also read this carefully. And after reading that, you can buy through them. So in this way, you can buy the premium of your Adobe Firefly. And as you can see, you can get every detail here. These all things are provided here. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can get the premium of your Adobe Firefly, the Adobe's. So see you guys in the next video.